Welcome to our channel Guides to Everything. ALAT Bank USSD Codes, *945#. ALAT USSD codes for various transactions are as follow. Airtime top-up for others is 945 phone number *amount hash. Airtime top-up for self is 945 amount hash. Check balance is 9450#. Transfer to ALAT account is 945 account number *amount hash. Transfer to other banks is 9012 *amount NUBAN account number hash. Transfer to access account is 945 account number *amount hashtag. BVN management is 9454#. Account registering is 94501#. For quick loan is 94565#. Account opening /pin change /registration is 9451#. If you have any questions, do not forget to use the comment button to ask your questions. Endeavor to subscribe to the channel and share the video with family and friends. Turn on the notification bell to receive notifications from us whenever a new video is published. Thanks for watching.